Howdy folks, we are back out and about again today. I have made a decision. I am going to try cooking for myself a little bit to see if it works out a little bit cheaper. I watched one of Gordon Drew's videos and showing what his daily budgets and stuff were and how much he's spending on all the stuff that he has to live with here, including rent and all that. His budget's a lot less than mine, and I'm struggling with what I'm spending, so I'm going to do better. Going to try cooking my own food. It's going to be basic. I've decided that I'm going to be cutting out carbs and stuff. So basically rice, noodles and bread, all that sort of stuff. So basically just meat, veg and fruit, because I have a very nice fruit vendor right next to my house on my condo. So that's what we are going for. So today I am back at Big C to buy some stuff to actually cook with. So come along, like and subscribe, helps me out a bunch, and let's go buy some stuff. Oh, now just the fun adventure of trying to figure out what stuff I need and where it is in this massive department store. No, I don't need luggage, cooking stuff. I wonder, I'm just going to walk down the middle this time and see if I can spot where it is. I've only been here a couple times, so I have a rough idea of where stuff is, but a lot of the stuff that I've seen here, I was just focusing on what I wanted, so I didn't really look around that much. They also do have a fair bit of food here, so I can gauge what the prices are of like meat, mostly like chicken and stuff here. Actually, even steak, because a lot of the steak here, as I've mentioned before, is imported from Australia, but I want to see if they've got any beef that's like actually reasonably priced. We'll figure it out. That looks like what I need over there. Cooking utensils. Oh, have I been missing cooking since being here? I love cooking back home. It's one thing I like to do, just as like a fun thing. Like I see something on YouTube or like on Instagram or something, like a fun meal or just anything like that, or something interesting that I just go buy all the ingredients for and I just cook. And I haven't been able to do that. I haven't let myself do that here basically because my cooking situation is very, very small and I have a lot of room to do stuff, but might get back into that. We'll do some cooking videos, it'll be fun. But I've found the utensils. Now I do have some stuff in my condo. The knives there are pretty subpar, so I'm probably going to buy something a little bit better here. And the chopping board that I do have is pretty trash, so I'll probably get something basic. But I also do have to take everything back on my motorbike, so I can't pick up too much nonsense and weigh myself down and have an accident. Looks like I've got a pretty good selection of knives here. I'm probably just thinking like a standard chef knife, and I probably should invest in a knife sharpener as well, because I doubt the steel here will be pretty good. They do have like cutting board sets like this, that's not bad. Like that knife is no bigger than it needs to be, and there's a decent sized cutting board in it as well, and it's only 199 baht, which isn't bad. Scissors, cleavers, it's a plastic cutting board too. I don't really want to use a wooden one, so I wonder if they've got knife sharpeners and not the steel ones, because I actually don't know how to use those properly. I'm going to look around for a bit, I'm going to try to find some stuff, and I'll keep you posted. Found myself the frying pans. Just got to find something decent. So I picked up a knife sharpener plate that's a bit bigger than the stuff that I've got at home already, and then like see if I can do this without dropping everything. Two knife set, cutting board, and a plate at the back as well with a knife sharpener that I haven't really seen anything like that before, so hopefully it works. But I just want like a 25 centimeter frying pan. That looks pretty good. Lightweight yet non-stick. I kind of want something that's non-stick just because I don't feel like dealing with it. I know non-stick stuff is generally no good, like for your health-wise and all the chemicals and stuff they do to treat it, but I'll have to deal with it while I'm here anyway. I don't need a wok. I don't have the right stuff to cook on a wok. I also toyed with the idea of getting like a little gas burner to use in the kitchen instead, but I don't think I will, just because I just don't think it's worthwhile. I'll just use the electric gas top and electric stove top and just deal with it. Time to make a choice. Got myself a shopping trolley. Just looking for a basket, but oh, there they are. Just walked past them there. But oh well, figured it out now. Picked up a few seasonings like some soy sauce, garlic salt, which is the best thing in the world. I've got a mate of mine coming over for Songkran next month. Very soon from Australia, and I'm asking him to bring me some chicken salt. Which, if you're watching from outside Australia and you haven't ever heard of it before, it is the best thing ever. Chicken salt is phenomenal. Basically, chicken bouillon. Is that even the right word? I'm not sure. Anyway, it's the tastiest stuff ever, and it's pretty phenomenal. So I'm going to check out with this stuff. Hopefully I can carry it home on my motorbike, but we'll go from there, and might even do a little bit of cooking later. We'll see. Righto, got my bag of goodies. Came to just over 1,300 baht. Roughly 65 Australian dollars, if I'm doing my math correctly. Oh, I am. Yeah, now just gonna see if I can get this onto my motorbike in a way where I don't absolutely fall over and hurt myself on the way home, but figure it out. Made it back home, cleaned up my kitchen so it's actually like a somewhat serviceable area to cook a little bit later. So this is what we're working with. Hot plates there, stuff set up here, got my sauce and stuff ready to go. So won't be cooking today, but I will be cooking something in the near future. It's probably going to be something as boring as like chicken thighs. I'm a big fan of chicken thighs, so that's probably what we're going to end up going with. But thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one. Might do a cooking video soon. Cheers, guys.